Hey, it's very possible that your country might be locked down because of the virus. If it is, you might have some idea of how schools react in order to continue educating the students. Even if not, high chance you aren't going to school. Thanks to the internet, we can continue getting knowledge even without going to school. But how? In this video I will be showcasing what most teachers use based on the statistics. I did some research and came to the conclusion that most schools use Microsoft Teams and are able to communicate with their students this way. Check Google statistics, Teams exploded. Even without going to school, most students have to do their homework and continue getting their marks. Basically, Microsoft Teams is a software from Microsoft, a part of Office 365. Microsoft Teams functions are chatting, exchanging files and links, scheduling meetings, video conferencing, and even integrating various tools. These functions sound impressive, but what exactly can you do with them and how to best use them? Most functions are already known from other apps. You can chat and hold meetings in Skype for business, work together on documents in SharePoint, and post info on Yammer. But those are already three different applications. Microsoft Teams combines all the useful functions that make working together easier. For meaningful communication you still have to set boundaries. In the long term, Teams is intended to replace Skype for business and serves for intensive exchange in projects and departments. Via Yammer you can openly exchange information throughout the company. And then there is Outlook for one-on-one communication with the outside world. If your school wants you to use Teams, you should have an email from your teacher because Microsoft asks for it. If not, there is a trick you can actually use and get Microsoft Teams for free for personal use. First of all, open your internet browser and search Microsoft Teams on Google. The link will also be in the description. For that, click on the second option which says to download. Next, click on this download button. For that, enter your Microsoft email. If you don't have one, simply create by going to hotmail.com. It's very simple. From those three options, make sure to check for work, because if you check for school, it will ask you for an email that was activated. If your teacher gave you one, feel free to choose the first option. If not, use the last option. Now simply press on download for Windows button. Save the .exe file and install. Now you are free to use Microsoft Teams. If you look on the left of your screen you can see all the navigation buttons. On the Teams option, it is where groups are created and many people communicate with each other. You can of course also have private conversations. That's it. If you need help you can also click on this help button and find a solution. If you still can't figure out something, feel free to ask me on the comment section. I will answer for sure. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.